Today I'm going to show you how to change the steering wheel. So let's just get into it. So you need a screwdriver about that size, has to be long. I don't know how you call it in English. It's this thing here. And the nut, this thing here. The first thing you have to do is look under your steering wheel. There are 4 screws you have to get out first. This is 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So next step would be to get this thing off. So first you have to pull down this here and then gently pull down this plastic, yeah, like this. Make sure you don't break something. So like this, yeah. It's under like that. So now we are ready. First thing you have to do is get this clip off. See this here? Get it off. So turn the wheel in like this, just like that. So make sure this hole, there's a hole, see? Make sure the hole is right here. There, it's supposed to be a hole. Yeah. So ignition off again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get in with a long screwdriver. So we have to get the airbag out right now. So make sure the ignition is off. Pull the key. Yeah, you don't have to put out the battery. So just pull out the key. Make sure ignition is off. So the first thing we do, we go in here with the screwdriver. With the flat, you see the flat thing, we go like this into the hole. Make sure you get all along in there. When you got it, just make it turn. See, like that? This is the first screw, okay? So pull it out again. Start the engine, turn the wheel the other way, so like that, so you get the other hole down there, yeah? Okay, so see it? Engine off.
The screwdriver, make sure get the plates, and make sure you get the plates in right, so you don't get any further. And same thing here, just turn it a little bit, and see, it already popped off.
So you could just take this out like that, and make sure you get this sticks off. So this is the airbag. So you see here, first I'm going to remove this white one here. Just pull this out like that, and now you see you can get this around here, pull this one out like that, and now we have to get this one out. See this cable here, yeah, see this one? So it goes off like that. See it? You don't just do it like that. You see, if you do it like this, you'll break something. So I always do it like this, keeping the steering between the legs. You have to, yeah, do it really hard, and maybe just one hand here like this, yeah, and then you can try to loosen it. I already did this like that, so okay, you have to have real strong legs for that. So you can loosen this. Get the screw off. Then you can pull this thing off, just like that. Get the cables out, like this. So you need a screwdriver to get this loose. There's one. So turn this over, and now you can just get a, you have to watch out because there are some clips in here which hold this thing in shape, but normally you can just carefully pull this off, guys. Carefully pull this off like this, and you see already there are some cables which you have to get loose. Enough space. Pull this out. Yeah. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Okay, so I got this back in here. Should be enough. So we just put this back in here. Make sure we got everything right. Voila. Okay, well, some guys are gonna kill me now, but sorry guys, but I'm doing it like this. I'm always going in with a little bit of aggression here. Carefully. Yeah, a little bit of aggression. Come on. Has to be, guys. So, back in the car. You have to make sure, you see this here, there's a stripe. It tells you where to put the steering wheel on. Yeah, you have to keep in mind that you have to put it in the right place. So the last time we put it off, it was like that. First thing, we get these cables through back.
These are the cables for the airbag. Make sure you got everything fitted the right way. So, like that.
See this? It has to be the right place. Now it's on the right place. Okay, I could actually put this thing back into this one here, clip that in, and yeah, put this back in there where it holds. Put this cable down under, make sure it fits right, turn this. And when you tighten this, don't do it just like that. Yeah, keep in mind, keep your legs like that. Yeah, hold it tight and just tighten it like that. Do not do this just in a loose way, okay? So I'll see you when I got it ready. So if you got this in here, yeah, see I got the cables down in the right place. You have to get the right turn. See, this SSR airbag has to be down there. And then you just go with a push. Don't forget this clip. You have to put it down back in here. Okay, everything screws, everything handled with care. We'll see you back when the batch is on and everything's ready. So now we're all set. This is the new steering wheel. And next step, or last step, is put on ignition. Hope that this thing doesn't blow you in the face. And yeah, steering wheel, and look at that airbag. If you got that mistake, you have to do this little trick. I'll show you. Just put the motor off again. So 3 times the ignition. 1, 2, 3. And now the last step, it should be gone. So, looks great. Airbag light is off. So we're ready to ride. Stay off his